If you're thinking about buying Confetti, there are a few things you absolutely need to know before making a decision. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 7 key factors that can make or break your experience with this software. Stick around because by the end, you'll have a complete understanding of whether Confetti is the right choice for you. First up, Confetti offers a powerful suite of tools, but how does it compare to others on the market? When it comes to ease of use and functionality, Confetti stands out with its intuitive interface that lets you set up campaigns without a steep learning curve. Unlike some of its competitors, where you may feel overwhelmed by a sea of features, Confetti's simplicity is its strength, letting you dive right in without feeling like you need a user manual to figure it out. Next thing, pricing. This is always a big concern, right? Well, Confetti's pricing structure is pretty competitive when compared to similar platforms. While some services require hefty upfront payments, Confetti offers flexible plans that scale based on your needs. Plus, it's got a transparent pricing model, so no surprises down the line. If you're a startup or small business, this could be a game changer for managing costs while still getting access to high-quality tools. The third thing you need to know is the level of customization. Confetti allows a significant amount of flexibility with design and functionality. It's not one of those cookie-cutter solutions that forces you into templates you can't modify. You can tweak the software to align perfectly with your brand and use case, something that makes it more appealing than other platforms that lock you into predefined designs. Moving on, let's talk about automation. Confetti offers excellent automation features that help you streamline tasks and reduce manual work. Whether you're handling email marketing, customer onboarding, or social media management, this software automates processes with ease. And when comparing it to other tools, Confetti does this without losing the personal touch that's so important for engagement. The fifth thing to consider is support. With Confetti, you'll find responsive customer support that goes beyond the basics. They provide multiple channels to reach out, including live chat, email, and even one-on-one assistance for those crucial moments. And when you compare it to other software, where support can feel like an afterthought, Confetti's team is consistently praised for being helpful and proactive. Sixth, let's talk integrations. If you rely on other tools, you're probably wondering how well Confetti will play with them. Well, you'll be pleased to know that Confetti integrates with a wide range of third-party applications. Whether you use CRM software, analytics tools, or social platforms, it's designed to sync seamlessly. Many competitors offer integrations, but Confetti's depth and ease of connecting to other systems make it stand out. And finally, the flexibility in usage. Unlike many platforms that restrict you to certain templates or business types, Confetti can be used for a variety of purposes, whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or someone just trying to simplify their workflow. This makes it an incredibly versatile choice when compared to competitors who may pigeonhole you into specific use cases. So, there you have it. Confetti offers a well-rounded package of features, competitive pricing, and ease of use that can be ideal for a wide range of users. If you want to try it for yourself, be sure to click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial, plus some extra benefits that you won't find elsewhere. Give Confetti a shot today and see for yourself why it's becoming a popular choice.